lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got a very fun video. I am unboxing Makeup Obsession's advent calendar. It's called The Final Countdown. This did retail for £40 and it opens, which I didn't realise. I thought it opened like a book, but it opens like a... Oh my god, what? Why did I think it was only 12 days in here? There's 25 products. What? We're gonna have fun with this, guys. All right, number one is this cute little box. What do we think, guys? Have a guess. What? Oh, it is a little blush. Look at that. Well, actually it says it's bronzer, but you can use this as a blush as well, I reckon. Oh, it's a bit fair for me, even though it looks dark. I reckon I'd use that more as a blush than a bronzer because it's a bit more reddy toned, a bit more peachy. So yeah, let's say that's a blush, okay? Ooh, what have we got here? A face primer, and it looks like it's in one of those glossy kind of containers. I wonder what kind of primer is it? A dewy one? Doesn't actually say, but it's got like this white kind of texture. Oh, very creamy and very hydrating. No smell. Number three. Oh, it's the lip liner. Look at that shade. That is definitely a me shade. Oh, it's not too soft. And it's a bit more like peachier pink than anything. But exciting. I love that. I don't think I've used an Obsession liner before. Oh, what could be this small? I reckon a lipstick maybe. Ooh, look at the colour again. I'm definitely keeping that. I don't think, do Obsession have lipsticks out? That will go perfect with the liner. I feel like they do, but no, I don't know. And then let's see if this comes off. Yep, it pops off. What do we have here? Oh, I've never had one of these glosses from Obsession, but look at that. I'm sorry, I'm keeping this. Some of this stuff will go and give away, some of it will go to my sister. It's got a nice little pink tinge to it. No smell, but it is cute. Okay, number six. I reckon it's going to be another round thing. What do we think? Blusher probably, highlight. Alright, it says blusher. Oh, it's a nice little orangey type blush. That is cute. Oh no, it's a bit more peach. Like that. I do love a good powder blush, but I also love a good liquid blush. 7, guys, 7. It's another little long box. I think maybe a liner, like an eyeliner this time. Oh, it's a brow pencil. I do not use brow pencils. It's a good shade for me. But the one thing about these kinds of calendars is I hate when there's products in there that won't suit everyone. So like that brow pencil probably won't suit everyone, but I would possibly use that as an eyeliner or a lip liner. But I could test it out. I don't use light pencils in my brows ever. But let's go on to number 8. Oh, it's heavy, this one. This, oh my god. This gloss, I love the Obsession logo because it just stands out. This gloss is like a nice topper with silver glitter in there. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it because I have so many lip topper type glosses, but that looks amazing. Number 9, it's in one of the liner boxes again. So we've had a brow pencil, we've had a lip liner. Are we going to get an eyeliner? A brow highlight. Who uses these? Oh, it's creamy though. Right there. That's really metallic. Okay, I was a bit skeptical of that, but might enjoy that. One of these. We have another gloss. This is another one with kind of like silver reflex in there. No, gold mainly. This is going in a giveaway, so watch out for that. Now we're on to 11, another weighted one. I reckon it's another gloss. It is, it's in the shade Girl. Is it a gloss? Yeah, it's a lip gloss. I'm keeping that shade for definite, so I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, That is a definite bit of me, that. A nice brown lip liner, this in the center, sexy. 12, where are you? Ooh, this is a big box. They all usually cut off like halfway here, but this one's really thick, of course, because it's a spray, a fixing spray. I love the pink packaging on this. Are you ready? Ooh, that smells incredible. Oh, that smells so fresh and revitalizing. 13, where are you? This is 13. Okay, a brow gel. Now, we just got a brow gel in the I Heart Revolution one. And to be honest, I want to keep it because they're mini and they're clear. So I'm going to be bad and I'm going to keep 2. I'm sorry. 14. I bet at the end I'm going to see that I've missed a number. An eye primer. Ooh. I'm tempted to test this out because I never have hopes for these in gift sets, so I'm tempted to see what that looks like. Number 15, we have, oh, look at this. It's a lip balm. Okay, I'm keeping that. That is a weird kind of lip balm. I love lip products. You'll know if you've been watching me for a little while. And it's really thick. Like, where is it? There. Really, really thick at the bottom there. I can see how they've done a lip balm in the tube, because if you look closely, it's very bubbly in there, but that's because it's really thick product. And it smells of, oh, I don't know what that smell is. Oh, it's something from my childhood. Okay, 16, we have another long box. We have a brush. This is a very weird kind of brush because it's flat at the top and it's like a contour kind. Oh, it's so soft. Contour kind of brush. Interesting. I'd be interested to try this out. 17. Oh, 17's a long box too, which feels really light. I reckon the makeup sponge. Oh my god, it is. I love their sponges that come in these gift sets. I think there's only one that I've been kind of sad about, but it is really hard, so I'll definitely test that out. The one that came in the fridge last year was incredible, the green one, so I hope it's as good as that. 18, we've got a long one. Oh, we've got another blending brush. I say another, it's the first one. Very soft. I feel like this will be good for right in the crease, you know, when you don't want the colour to move. Very, very nice. Got another round product, I bet, in this. This is a highlighter. Again, they need to cater these to every kind of skin tone. If they can't, then do gift sets that are like light, medium, dark, deep dark, like fair, because that's not gonna suit me. It's gonna suit someone darker than me, which is good, because I feel like these advent calendars never cater to darker skin tones. It's always kind of fair, light skin tones, maybe medium if we're lucky, but never darker than medium. And that is a really nice highlighter, but I'll definitely get away with that like a bronzy eyeshadow. I believe we're on number 20. Oh, we have a runaway. It's one of those flat shader brushes that you can pack on pigments on your lids. I love these brushes. It's a bit thinner than normal, but that means you can really define where you pull it. I love the colour of this. Oh, it's a bit bigger, so it's probably not going to be one of those round ones. It's a fucking mirror. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, I'm done with mirrors. 22. We've got 22. Please be a lipstick. Please be a lipstick. It is a lipstick. It's in the shade. They don't actually have shades on there. Oh, but it is a nice shade. Packaging is kind of cheapy, but if the lipstick works, it works, okay? Oh, it's berry. Oh my god. It looks kind of brownish, but like a nice berry. And obviously you can take these up like that. I think these are only just meant to show you what colour it is on the lid, but you can use that to line your lips if you want. 23. What have we got? Another round item. We've had a blusher, we've had a bronzer, we've had a highlight. What else could we have? It says it's a blusher, and this would be perfect for paler people. I don't know about me. I don't know if that'd be too pale. I don't know how that would pay off on my skin. Again, I could just use it as an eyeshadow. Really nice peachy kind of shade. I've not really enjoyed those circle ones except for one of them. 24. What have we got? 24. Please be a lip liner. I love lip liners. Oh no, it's not. Fucking spoolie. Well, you know, could tidy my bushy brows, couldn't I? Moving on. The last one is quite heavy. I don't actually know what this was. There's a picture on the front of these, but I never really look at them properly. Ooh. We love a good palette, don't we? This is in Dreamer. Oh, this is a first for Obsession. They're really thin circles. Usually they're quite large and you can take them out. This is actually stuck into the pan. It's a nice little neutral with blues down the bottom. I like that. Really do. We have unboxed this whole advent calendar and okay, I get it. Oh, see, I'm dropping it. That's how much I bloody care about these mirrors. It's a different colour, like they haven't done it for Obsession, I don't believe, but come on. What I really like is the lipsticks. I love lipsticks. I am excited for the lip liner. I'm excited for the lip balm. Really excited. I'm excited to use this blusher and the palette. I'm definitely excited for that, and I'm intrigued by the primer. Definitely intrigued to see if it works because they have upped their games with primers. It's quite thin, but then so is my Beauty Bay one. That is everything. Oh, I'm excited for the Beauty Blender. It better work. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm in a weird, awkward angle now. And let me know, what are you excited for? What do you really want me to test from this? And I will catch you in my next one. Bye!